Tonight we are making strawberry daiquiris. I'm so excited for you to watch. Right, so we have a simple syrup on the go. It's 1 part sugar and 1 part water. So you'll need 5 ounces of simple syrup, 4 cups of frozen strawberries, 1 cup of sliced fresh strawberries, the juice of 1 lime, 4 ounces of light white rum. So you need the simple syrup to cool a little bit, and then you can add it to the blender. I'm gonna do it in batches because we've got a small blender. 4 ounces of light rum. Give this lime a roll to get the juices flowing. Squeeze it into here. So I'm going to pour half of the strawberries in, half of the rum in, so it goes down to 2 ounces. It's going to be nice and cold because of the strawberries going in. I'll pour half of the lime juice in. Strawberry daiquiri is one of my favourite. I order it every time I go to Wetherspoons. I'm going to pour the lime juice and the rum together. This is going in the next batch. Add the simple syrup to our strawberries. I poured all of the simple syrup in that. Right, so I'm going to pour this into here because it's all going to be mixed together. Look at that beautiful colour. Who doesn't love a strawberry daiquiri? The smell, oh, it's just beautiful. Love it. Add the rest of the rum and lime juice in and blend. Looks so good. I'm so excited. There they are, beautiful strawberry daiquiris. So it looks beautiful. Let's see how it tastes. Oh, that's actually better. It's better than anywhere I've had a strawberry daiquiri. Enjoy!